DNA Ventures.
Adventure is who we are.
Welcome back to the channel, everybody. Thank you for taking time out of your day to check out this video. If you enjoy the content, please click the like button, as it will greatly improve chances of other human beings seeing this video. Today we are venturing to Monument Valley Navajo Tribal Park. Monument Valley is truly iconic. It is the epitome of the southwestern landscape. Monument Valley is located on the Utah-Arizona border.
Monument Valley is super popular, not just for visitors, but for movie stars. John Ford used the location for tons of films. Monument Valley, meaning Valley of the Rocks in Navajo, is a region of the Colorado Plateau made of vast sandstone buttes, the largest reaching over 1,000 feet above the valley floor. One of the best things about being in this park is the authentic Native American experience. You get to experience culture through the Navajo Nation firsthand by interacting one-on-one with tribal members and modern and ancient artifacts, including Hogans.
For the general tourist, there are limited hiking options. However, there is a 17-mile-long dirt road that will take you through the valley. Before venturing down Valley Road, you will have to pay a $20 entrance fee, which is well worth it.
The red color is one of the most iconic things about Monument Valley. It comes from the iron oxide in the weathered siltstone that makes up the majority of the rock and the formations in the Colorado Plateau.
Monument Valley looks pretty much the same as it did around 3,000 years ago. Keep in mind that Monument Valley is not a national park. It is owned by the Navajo Nation.
Be a good tourist.
Monument Valley is quite remote, but fits easily into any road trip across the Southwest. Thanks for adventuring with DNA Ventures today. If you enjoyed the video, please click the like button. We'll see you on the next
Amazing adventure with DNA Ventures.